We're going to be talking about shea butter. Yes, my native dialect, it is called Okuma. Some persons call it Ori. Okay. Now, shea butter is commonly found in Africa, and it is this skincare ingredients that is gotten from shea nuts. Now, shea butter as a skincare ingredient contains antioxidants, which are vitamin A and vitamin E. Now, vitamin A, which is retinoid. Now, vitamin A is that skincare ingredient that is responsible for anti-aging, responsible for with collagen production. And then vitamin E, which is also an antioxidant, helps to retain moisture in the skin and also helps with fighting the environmental pollutants. Okay. Now, this shea butter contains some essential fatty acids, which are palmitic acid, oleic acid, stearic acid. Now, these acids, these essential fatty acids, are responsible for hydration, reducing the signs of wrinkles, aging. Okay, so now what this means is that they are going to help boost the production of ceramides on the skin, even collagen as well. Now, some persons are going to be like, I've been using shea butter on my skin and it has been working for me. Now, I want to ask, can I continue using that shea butter, or must I necessarily do all this skincare stuff, using sunscreen, using this serum, this, that, this, that? Now, I'm going to tell you the truth, okay? If you have been using shea butter since ages and it's been working for you, continue using shea butter. But we are going to dive into some things because I know that you are also tackling some skin concerns that you wish this shea butter could handle, but it is not really handling it. And somehow you want to do this skincare thing, I know, but you still want to use shea butter because it is just something you can easily afford now. Now, is shea butter a good skincare ingredient? Yes. I am going to highlight some reasons why shea butter might not be working for you. Now, some persons have complained that it gets them dark. Now, the reason it could be getting you dark is because, number one, you are using your shea butter without a sunscreen. Yes. Remember I said earlier that shea butter contains vitamin A and vitamin E. And these two ingredients are antioxidants and can make your skin to be sensitive to the sun. Okay, when you use products that contain these ingredients, without a sunscreen, your skin might get tanned. Now, what is tanning? Tanning is just darkening of the skin. Okay, now, because you use them without a sunscreen, you are prone to getting darker. Even up till now, I still use shea butter on my skin, but I'll tell you how I do it. The skin type on my face is an oily, acne prone skin. Okay, but I don't use shea butter on my face for any reason. I don't, because there is a possibility of it clogging my pores. Now, I use shea butter just on my body, but that is only at night and not even all night. It is one of those nights I don't want to do my regular body care routine. You know, sometimes you can get so lazy with this skincare stuff. That is the truth. Okay, now I just use my shea butter and I just apply on my body, not my face, on my body, and I go to bed. That's it for me. Now, if you must use shea butter in the morning, make sure that you are applying sunscreen on the exposed part of your body because it contains antioxidants. Now, another reason it might also not be working for you is because you are using shea butter on a dry skin. Why will you be using shea butter on a dry skin? Apply your shea butter on a damp skin so that it can easily penetrate into your skin and do what it's supposed to do. When you apply it on a dry skin, it just sits on the surface of your skin. It does not penetrate. Another reason shea butter might also not be working for you might be that you have an oily skin and you're using shea butter on your face. Remember, as I said earlier, there are possibilities that is going to clog your pores. Now, around 2019, I will never forget, 2019, I had somebody on a radio station talk about how you can use shea butter to attain some certain skin goals, to make your skin look brighter. And I went and I used shea butter, and you don't want to know how my face was looking like. Now, I have an oily acne prone skin. I was applying this shea butter in excess. Like, my whole skin was consumed with shea butter. Guess what? I started breaking out heavily. I didn't even need a soothsayer to tell me, hey, Chinazwa, you need to drop that shea butter. Another reason your shea butter might also be getting you dark could be because you are using the unrefined shea butter. That is the raw shea butter. Okay, now raw shea butter contains latex and smoky residues because of the shea tree it comes from. Okay, so now this is where the benefit of refined shea butter comes in. If your skin reacts to latex, okay, if your skin reacts to shea butter, you might want to try out unrefined shea butter because that chemical processing has actually taken out the impurities in the raw shea butter. It has taken out the latex in it, okay, the smoke residues in it. So you might just want to tilt towards just refined shea butters. But if you are okay, just like me, with raw shea butters, then you're going to benefit as well because raw shea butters still contains the essential nutrients, okay, that comes from nature. It still contains all those essential nutrients. But the refined shea butter does not contain the essential nutrients anymore, but it still does not have that latex that your skin might react to. I think how to differentiate it is a raw shea butter has a darker color. Let me show you the color of mine. This is, let me show you on my hand. This is how a raw shea butter looks like. The yellowish color is always darker. But if you see a refined shea butter, it is not as yellowish as this one. Most of our skincare products that we use these days, the shea butter you see in them, in most cases, are all refined shea butters. Let's get over to benefits of shea butter. Now, some of us might still be confused on what does this shea butter actually do aside what I listed earlier about it, hydration, wrinkles, collagen production, this, that. What else does shea butter do? Now, shea butter is a very good hair care ingredient. As I'm talking to you, what I use as my hair moisturizer is shea butter. You know, we are in the harmattan, so everywhere is dry, and I don't want to I use proteins on my hair, but of course I don't use proteins on my hair every day because I'm still going to need products that are going to hydrate my hair in order to prevent breakage. Shea butter also has some anti-aging effects on the skin. Like I said earlier, it contains vitamin A, vitamin E, and these two ingredients are very, very good ingredients for anti-aging. They're going to help build collagen. They even contain essential fatty acids. Okay? Now, shea butter can also be used to brighten the skin. Yes, because of the antioxidants it contains, it is also a very good source for hydration for your skin. Remember, it contains vitamin E, okay? Even the essential fatty acids in it are all going to help hydrate, boost moisture in your skin. Let's assume you bleached, okay, and you want to go back to a healthy skin, but you cannot afford, you know that, see, the truth is that in most cases, products that bleach you are actually cheap. In most cases, products that bleach you are actually very, very cheap. Now, for you to repair your skin, you might see yourself spending way more than you spent to damage your skin. So now, if you're in this category and you cannot lay your hands on good skincare products to help repair your damaged skin, you can try shea butter. It might just work for you. After all, it contains essential fatty acids that are good for skin barrier repair. Okay, so you can try shea butter and just see how it goes. Studies have also shown that shea butter can be used to treat eczema. Now, you know that eczema causes dryness on the skin, scaly skin, okay, and shea butter, as I said earlier, is a good source of hydration. It can help to moisturize your skin. So you can use shea butter to treat your eczema and you might just be wowed. Okay, so just try this and let me know. For me, I use my shea butter on my hair for that intense moisture, and I use it on my body sometimes at night, as I said earlier, at night. Okay, I don't use shea butter on my body in the morning, but if you use in the morning, make sure that you are using it with a sunscreen, and of course applying it on a damp skin. Let's be guided, so you won't come and say that shea butter is not working for you, or that shea butter is a bad skincare. No, shea butter is a very good skincare ingredient once you know how to use it. If you have any questions to ask me about shea butter, let me know. Please do not ask me which one is original shea butter. I don't know. I will be since I don't know. Just make sure that you are buying from a trusted vendor. Okay, or you can buy from older women in local markets. Those women are likely to have original raw shea butter. Okay, so that's it. Then the smell, I don't know how to describe the smell, honestly.